Hola chicos, ¿cómo están? Hoy vamos a aprender cómo decir la hora en español. And hopefully from the pictures you can kind of guess what we're about to do right now. So, ¿qué hora es? That's the question, of course. ¿Qué hora es? What time is it? ¿Qué hora es? And there's really two easy way to think about this. There's two phrases that are always the same for the answer. If it's 1 o'clock, because 1 is singular, you're always going to say es la una. Es la una is 1 o'clock. If it's 1 o'clock and 17 minutes, it's 1:17. Es la una y 17. Okay? So es la always goes with una. But now, obviously, there's more than 1 o'clock. There's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we need something else, and that's going to be son las. So son las is going to work for 2, 3, 4, all the way to 12 o'clock. So if it's 2 p.m., we're going to say son las dos. If it's 4 p.m., we're going to say son las cuatro. But again, it's not always going to be 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. There's going to be minutes. So just like we took 1 o'clock here and went to 1:17 here, let's go from 3 o'clock here and let's go to 3:35. So we have son las 3:35. Okay? Let's keep practicing. So I have a bunch of clocks here. ¿Qué hora es? Aquí son las 3:30. Good. That's totally fine. But now, there's something else we can do here. Just like we say 1:30 or 1:30 in English, there's also a second way to say 30 in español. And that's going to be media, which means half. So here we could also say son las 3:30. Same exact thing. Either one is totally perfect. Whatever you want to do, okay? Let's keep practicing. Aquí, hopefully you guys still remember how to do this. Let's say this is like, I don't know, 32. So because it's 1 o'clock, we can't use son las. It has to be es la. So we're going to have es la una y we said 32. 32. Es la 1:32. Let's try one more. 4:15. So again, it's not 1, so it's 2, 3, 4. We're gonna use son las. So it's son las 4:15. And just like before, just like we say it's 4:15, there's a second way to say this in Spanish if you want. And that's going to be son las 4:15. I did this one on purpose so you could see the 4 and the 15. This is cuatro, which means 4. This is cuarto, which means a quarter. So please make sure you don't mix it up. Get that down. ATRO, 4. ARTO, quarter. Son las 4:15. Let's really review quick though. Remember that a quarter, 15 past, we're going to say cuarto, or you could say 15. Both are fine. Cuarto or 15. For this one, half past, we can say media, or of course we can always say 32, 30. Now, something else we can't forget is that sometimes we have to distinguish between AM and PM, because if you have a meeting at 10 a.m. or 10 p.m. Those could be very different things. And very simple, it's en la mañana, en la tarde, en la noche. And you remember tarde from buenas tardes y noche from buenas noches. So let's see if we can incorporate this onto time. And all we're going to do is add it right onto the end. So here, we actually don't know. Let's pretend it's PM. So it'll be son las 10 de la noche. Son las 10 de la noche. ¿Vale? Y aquí, de la mañana. Son las 5:37 de la mañana. Son las 5:37 de la mañana. And one more just to make sure. This one is going to be in the afternoon. And it's 1 o'clock. So we're going to have es la 1:12 de la tarde. And that's it. So I'm going to ask that you guys practice a little bit right now. Okay. So here we have 4 clocks, and I'm going to ask that you write the times for each one in your notebook. So we're going to pause the video in a second. I'm going to ask, though, for the bottom two, for 1:15 and 6:30, please write both ways. Remember what we talked about a second ago. If you don't remember, rewind the video and write this in both ways. Okay, so pause the video now. Okay, welcome back. Let's take a look at what you guys wrote down. Please check your answers. We have son las 3:47 de la tarde. Perfecto. Son las 9:13 de la mañana. Perfecto. Es la 1:15 de la mañana. Perfecto. Y es la 1:15 de la mañana. Correcto. Make sure you have the spelling right with the ARTO, not cuatro, which is the number 4. Aquí son las 6:30 de la noche. Muy bien. Y son las 6:30 de la noche. Perfecto. Hopefully you guys did okay. Write down any questions you have, and I'll be happy to answer them tomorrow. Hasta mañana.